Amid the wetlands and marshes, 10 kilometers south of Beijing, lies Nanhaizi, an imperial hunting ground that carries 1,000 years of memory. From the Liao dynasty to the Qing Dynasty, it retained its wetland character, abundant in all seasons, vast as the sea, and served as a vital water conservation area for the capital.
Hello guys, I'm Laura from Mexico, and today we will explore the green part of Beijing. Today, I'm here at Nanhaizi Park in South Beijing. This place once served as the imperial hunting ground for 5 dynasties: Liao, Qing, Yuan, Ming, and Qing. In the Ming Dynasty, it was even listed as one of the 10 scenic spots of Yanyin.
The history of Nanhaizi can be traced back to the Liao dynasty. In 1153, when Emperor Hailing of the Qing Dynasty moved the capital to Yanjing, a royal hunting ground was established south of Zhongdu City, making the Nanhaizi area the earliest imperial hunting ground in Beijing. With its low-lying terrain and intersecting waterways, this wetland served as a natural resource base, supporting the city's development from the Liao and Qin through the Yuan dynasty.
The word hai in Nanhaizi literally means sea, but this place is nowhere near the ocean. Why is it called hai? The term haizi did not originate in the Central Plains, but it came from Mongolian usage. Whenever they saw a large body of water, they called it haizi. After Kublai Khan built the Yuan capital Dadum, the term haizi was also applied to water bodies around Beijing. Even today, many places in the city still bear the name hai, such as the famous Beihai Park.
During the Yongle reign of the Ming Dynasty, Nanhaizi underwent large-scale expansion. Every autumn, when the air turned crisp and clear, the green trees, blue skies, red fruits, and golden leaves created a distinctive scene known as Autumn Breeze at the Southern Park, earning it a place among the 10 scenic spots of Yanjing. After the Qing Dynasty entered Beijing, Nanhaizi was renamed Nanyuan, with its area further enlarged and its architectural layout becoming increasingly grand. Emperor Shunji even handled state affairs within the garden, setting a precedent for governing from within the park, which elevated Nanyuan into an important political and cultural center alongside the Forbidden City and the 3 Hills and 5 Gardens. The hunting function of Nanhaizi also became more prominent. Emperor Qianlong once left behind a poem during a hunting expedition here. The wind rushing past my ears stirs the boldest of feelings. 20 years ago, the embroidered land was pacified. Though martial pursuits are not abandoned, I still reflect through hunting, for within it, I find my own balance of governance. In this poem, he closely links personal hunting with the course of statecraft, expressing the profound significance of imperial riding and archery activities beyond mere entertainment. At the same time, during the Qianlong period, the water system was renovated, making Nanhaizi a reliable water source and transport safeguard for southern Beijing. It not only embodied the grandeur of imperial authority, but also safeguarded the city's ecology and lifeline. With the change of dynasties, the layout and functions of Nanhaizi continued to evolve. As history entered the modern era, Nanhaizi gradually lost the former glory of an imperial preserve. Yet it also gave birth to new life.
It might be hard to imagine that in the 1980s, this park was once a wasteland and a landfill. After renovation, it was reborn with shaded trees and sprawling lakes, becoming a vital ecological shield for southern Beijing.
Today, Nanhaizi Park is a shining pearl on the banks of the Yongding River, playing a vital role in conserving ecological water resources. After years of ecological restoration and protection, the park is now home to more than 300 species of wild animals, including mammals and birds, as well as over 200 species of vascular plants. Significant progress has been made in the conservation and development of biodiversity in the Nanhaizi area.
From royal hunting ground to wetland park, from wasteland and landfill to a modern ecological heaven, Nanhaizi reflects the wisdom of restoring balance between people and nature, culture and ecology. As visitors stroll among the reeds and watch herds of deer, they also witness the continuation of Beijing's cultural and ecological heritage. Once a forbidden imperial garden, Nanhaizi has truly become a garden for the people.